I genuinely hate my life. Like, what? Why? Why is my internet doing this? I couldn't tell you. The only thing, like, that I've seen this happen before is when I had Essentials on, but I'm on .8. No, I'm on .4. That's even... How am I on Strength? How have we got here? How... What?! Hello? What the fuck? That's not the... Okay, I guess... I mean, okay, that works too. I just saw the Strength SMP fucking server for like a minute.
Okay. So...
My internet's so gonna die in another like 5 minutes, so let's use the small bit of it I can.
So... We might be fried.
What?
If it ever comes to all three of them, like millions of them using PGM.
Yeah, oh my god, tick, 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 tick.
No, Will is actually fried. Will is genuinely fried. If, like, Dolphin, Nem, basically, you know, all, like, I think all of that, like, that alliance is on right now, besides Dragon.
Yeah. I'll be right back.
Damien. They're just fully plotting to kill Morgan right now. I can't lie to you.
Elemental
Oh my
one,
God, I
Max
have it.
Dragon. Yeah, get the fuck out, bro.
Hi guys.
Okay.
Hey, buddy.
What the hell's wrong with you?
Nothing.
Alright, can you leave Willow-Key at your logout?
Yeah. I guess the password.
Why would you make the group name the fucking
The
password,
group
bro?
name's the password, bro. That's techie.
Oh my god.
And time to cause
Issues?
distrust. No, I don't.
Okay.
Maybe inside my Aegis. I have iron. There you go.
Oh my god, why is my durability fucked?
Wait, let's see. What if I just spam click? No, they have to be. Can you stop fucking running away so I can hit you? I can't. Oh, okay, and the blur's gone. I hate you. I genuinely hate you. Ah!
Oh wait.
Uh-oh. Don't do this.
Ah! Ah shit, I missed.
It does constant tick damage. It's not stacked, but ow. Yo, imagine we just accidentally kill all of his sheep.
No, you leave the team, bro. You just Stop. Where's the
Dude, I love this gem. Oh my god.
I think I just saw that weirdly, but like it looked like for a second you could do this and then like teleport. Ah, never mind.
That would have been cool. You can teleport to like where, and it would
Between
like
the clouds.
strike lightning. That would have been sick. It's like the copper.
Team forecast where we all run fucking speed jam and we just spam
wait, what's the
clouds.
weather?
Wait, does this? I really
raining.
tried it.
It's raining.
I really tried it. I really tried it. I really tried it.
I saw the vision.
Hey! No. Oh, oh. Flash that. Stop, I'm low. Ah! Stop! No, I can't low. I'm actually low. I'm actually low. Fat and ugly. Piss me off.
Stop picking up the strength pots I throw. Genuinely
Stop
wasted
fighting them.
I need to give you the energy somehow. Give me the strength pod back.
Man, let me put on my armor.
Gracias.
Okay, wait.
Wait, don't kill Critter. I would never. He's not even hurt.
It sounded no. Ow. That hurts.
That shit actually hurts.
I wanna
No,
see something.
no.
Real quick. Oh, you bastard.
What the?
No.
What?
No.
Where did that come from? No.
No.
Wait, I'm speed 2. I can just.
Why am I not speed 2? Probably because I got a broken gem.
Wait, do you not have speed 2?
Might be because I'm unscratched.
Oh.
Wait, so if you're just really good at aiming, they just genuinely cannot escape the fucking speed storm?
Oh my god, wait, just treat him like astronauts.
Yeah, but instead of like astronauts, they're like firing mini crisps that do like quadruple the damage. Ow, fuck. Oh, stop. This is abuse.
Ref! Ref!
What?
What happens when you hit someone trusted? Nothing. I'd hope. Okay, we should low-key... Oh no, I'm just on a higher version. I almost shit myself. I saw Pookie's lair.
Dude.
We should low-key enact on that.
Yeah. Really should.
Do I really feel like switching to strength though?
But at the same time, I really just want to.
Ah! Okay, we need to stop
I
killing
wish
each
that,
other.
like-
Trust me, bro.
We really do. Trust. And Stormz.
Do I?
There's no type out of / trust.
I mean, I guess if you can give me I already trusted you. If you can give me more skulk and diamonds, I still have the dragon's breath, so I'll switch to strength.
I don't got
Okay,
diamonds.
dumbass, fucking move.
Sorry. Maybe you get fired. And,
Oh my God.
Let me switch with you. Okay.
Okay, it's genuinely immaculate. All right, I'm not gonna make the same mistake I did with Ellie. Can you stop fucking running around me?
Hi.
You're genuinely triggering me. What?
That's all she wrote. That's so.
We rolling. Oh, poor guy. Oh no, poor. Oh no.
Wait. Let's see my goat. Let's see my goat. Lizzie!
Yeah, Lizzie! Yes, Lizzie! Woohoo! Join VC1. Oh, that ass did 10 hearts then. Oh, they
It's
don't get
time.
that. Oh,
It's
fuck.
time to watch this shit.
Wait, I'm curious.
I'm getting rolled back. I don't care. I'm getting rolled back.
Can I watch on stream?
Yes. I don't care. I'm getting rolled back, bro.
Oh, yeah,
Fuck that.
hold on.
From what I
can you guys
heard,
see it?
Tell him to join VC. Tell him to join VC.
what the fuck?
Keep playing this fight. I don't know what you're talking about, bro.
Dude,
Pookie was telling me that it was balanced, by the way.
Not even 1 fiber.
Well, let's skip to the actual relevant part, by the way.
Yeah.
Okay, look at this, bro. We were fighting for less than 2 seconds, by the way.
I'm sure stream too.
You're not.
VC1.
Try it in a fight, bro. Try it in a fight, he said. Try it in a fight, he said.
All right, let's see.
Mug'em, bro, what happened? Why you so watched, Mug'em? What happened?
Wait,
Was it
I
the
wanna- I
storm?
wanna
What the
see.
fuck?
Try in a fight, bro.
No.
Oh my life.
No, Mug'em,
Okay,
I'd be
okay,
pissed.
okay. I know what happened. I know what happened.
Oh my God!
Multiple
what the
people
fuck?
just spam their. Wait, roll it back. Wait, what? Roll it back.
Wives.
Oh my life.
Let me investigate.
Just
Yeah, speed's
Did
balanced.
7 people blur him at once?
Should have totaled.
No, it was.
No, it was the clouds.
Yo, Mug'em, I gotta commend you on the
being rolled
reaction
back.
time, bro.
I am being rolled back, bro.
I low-key have to commend you on the reaction time, though, bro. I would not have fucking
No.
turned
that
into
was
that
actually
time.
good reaction time too.
No.
Okay.
I'll
The
go
problem
try
is that
to turn on,
multiple
like,
people
happy
spam their clouds on you, and
Okay,
each
so-
one does 2 hearts.
So why? Okay, real quick question.
Okay.
That was a fair death,
No,
bro.
no. On the low, real
Yeah,
quick
that was a fair
question.
death, GG.
Why are the clouds doing separate damage then?
Yeah.
What do you mean separate damage?
No, but Pookie's right, bro. I should just test it in a fight.
No, I'm not gonna lie. That's low-key balanced,
Roll
bro.
me back.
I gotta-
No. It's because they spammed it.
He balanced?
It's natural. No, it's natural because he's going in a 4v1. They all have
Wait,
speed
Pookie.
gens, you know. It's like,
I'm not gonna hold you, man. I'm not gonna hold
yeah, no. Like if you really think about it, if you really deep it, like. Okay. Now on a real note, we just need to remove the damage from the clouds. That's it.
I'm almost
Yeah,
shocked.
low key.
That was a top
Fuckers,
five.
do you not have a
Why did
trust
you?
stabilization?
Why
Fro-
did you
fro-
get a Discord
Oh
thing?
my
Wait,
goodness, bro.
progress. I think
That was crazy. Dude, that was stupid, dude. I'm not even showing it on stream. I just I saw his health bar genuinely disappear.
we're fixing it.
I'd be pissed
Progress
too, bro.
removing the damage.
I'd be angry as well, bro.
No, I think
Okay,
we get
you-
conversation.
Okay, let me explain it.
You should make sure that like they don't have the items, bro.
I'm getting We're it giving right them. now. Don't worry, bro. All right,
Okay, to put it simple, you know the clouds slow you down and disable your things, right?
wait.
Like they were meant to be more of like a tool to help you like get easier combos for the blur. But like we added a little bit of damage, but we didn't realize that if 3 people spam it all in one place, it'll look you just shreds all your shit. And listen. I blame it on Will. And yeah. Look, it does a little bit of damage. It's not my fault. Think about it. There's 15 clouds that dealt 2 hearts in one place. So like you look.
2 hearts!
Pookie,
A little! 2
how
hearts!
are you so brain dead? Wait, Pookie, I got glorious
actually
comms right
crazy.
here.
No, I remember that shit happen. I saw that shit happen. I'd be pissed.
Where
too.
my
No,
every single
I'd be so upset.
Yo, we are getting
I'd
rid
start
of
a
that,
fucking
bro.
riot.
wait,
bro.
my god apples got cleared.
All right, I'm gonna have to go, but yeah, Progress,
Oh,
remove the damage
thank
and,
you.
Wait,
and Mug'em, get all your stuff back and.
Hold on,
and-
I had 17 or 19 notches. I literally forgot. Could someone check? Oh,
Are
17.
you
Jesus. I genuinely saw his health bar deplete. That was stupid to see. Thank goodness. Is it cobble? Am I being a dumbass? Don't do this. Oh, it's the server. Oh, okay. This time it's not me. Speed Gem is love. Speed Gem. Yeah, something like that. I deadass just saw Speed Gem kill an innocent man. Well, innocent's not the term, but 4v. Yeah, he was in a 4v1. You know, he shouldn't be able to live that anyway. What the fuck? Bro, Gop Loki had a point. I love the hand on this skin. And it genuinely just makes me want to keep using it for the hand. Should I make a W ping? In what? Oh, I don't know what MA said. What? Ref? I wanna go to heaven. Take me there. Pinned? Oh yeah, I don't care. I need glass. Wait, do I have some? Am I tripping? Am I twipping?
I swear I gave you like. Oh wait, no, that was for.
No, that was for the dome. I don't think I have any.
Also, I figured out something.
That's not good. Why would you do that?
No, wait, whoa, what do you mean to me?
What's up?
You sad. But basically, let me actually wait. Give me 30 seconds to actually like get it all, and then.
I genuinely hear a vacuum in my background, and I'm gonna get so fucking pressed because she genuinely vacuumed 2 days ago.
Oh, Dave.
If she is fucking vacuuming right now, I'm going to kill my whole family.
The entire house.
Wait, that's not the right one. TP mug him to us.
Wait, no, and he's like.
My armor.
Okay, I've got tech.
Uh-oh.
Can you look at me real quick?
Yeah.
Basically, if I do this, there's no lightning. If I add one more, there's lightning. And the more I add it, the more damage it does.
I don't
So
think
right
that's how
now,
it works.
it's... Or at least, I think it does it more actively.
I don't know.
Or something.
Unfortunately, I'm a bum and a loser.
No, you're not a loser. Beautiful.
Gracias, senor! I need
I do know
glass.
just one, it doesn't do shit. It just kind of rains.
We want seconds. If speed is involved in this session. I love you. I might have to go help mug him.
I don't know if I'll get called to help Horizon.
I think they want to take that themselves. I just I messaged him. I said if you need help, just let me know. He said I might. So I can't elytra to fights though. That rule is so bullshit. Most bullshit rule in the whole game.
Can we
Like,
travel
what-
together?
It's
and
a
let's watch?
20k fucking border. What do you mean no elytraing? I'm 10k out.
Dude. I think they were fighting at the job space from what I saw in the clips.
Yeah. Wait.
We'll
Where
head over there in a
is?
sec.
Oh my god. My world map reset. I'm gonna tweak.
Wait, did it actually?
Yours
Oh,
probably
reset for
didn't,
you.
but
Have
yeah,
fun.
it's because I'm on a different version. Fuck my shitty ass life, bro. I'm good for nothing.
Do you think Horizon would- If I just like pulled up and I'm like, no, I'm just here to watch.
If I fucking lag out again, I'm killing your family.
What did my family do?
I don't know. It depends on if they die or not. If they win, I think they're gonna be like, okay, well, you don't deserve a shit, like shit then. But if you like, oh my god, I can't. I need inventory space, bro. I'm putting the flower book and the fucking spyglass away. If you better fucking make a group if. Oh.
Oh no.
My
Oh,
fucking
wait.
god! Genuinely, why? Why do I have to have infinite people on my internet?